Understanding the moment of truth. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in movies, books, or everyday conversations, the moment of truth. We'll explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it effectively in your own communication. Stay with us to unlock the secrets of this powerful expression. The moment of truth refers to a critical or decisive time on which much depends. A moment when the true strength, character, or effectiveness of a person or thing is revealed. It's that intense instance where outcomes are determined, and the stakes are high. Think of it as the climax in a story where the hero faces their biggest challenge or when a decision you make can change everything. It's all about the pivotal moments that define us or the situations we're involved in. The phrase, the moment of truth, has its roots in Spanish bullfighting, where it's known as el momento de la verdad. This moment refers to the final act of the bullfight, where the matador makes the kill attempt, and the outcome of the entire event is decided. Over time, the expression has transcended its original context to symbolize any high-stakes situation where an essential truth is revealed or a crucial decision is made. You can use the moment of truth in various contexts, from everyday decisions to life-changing moments. Here are a few examples to help you understand its application before revealing the results of a competition. Now, it's the moment of truth. Let's see who the winner is. When making a significant decision, this is the moment of truth. Deciding whether to move to a new city for a job. In suspenseful situations, as she turned the key in the lock, she knew it was the moment of truth. To get comfortable with using the moment of truth, try creating your own sentences or short stories incorporating the phrase. Think about moments in your life that felt decisive or pivotal, and describe them using this expression. The more you practice, the more naturally it will come to you in conversations and writing. Thank you for joining us to explore the moment of truth. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of this powerful phrase for you. Remember, English is a journey full of discoveries, and each phrase you learn adds depth to your understanding and expression. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.